You as retailers and grocery businesses, you need to know where your food comes from. And you need to be sure that what you're selling out there, all these fantastic products.
How our farmers, as per the Indian conditions, can meet out the standard requirements which have been developed by the global gap.
And then more recently, last year, the milk recall crisis in China. So you can see that despite the best of precautions which are taken in terms of food production, crises do happen.
We know that food retailers face tremendous challenges operating in India, but at the Food and Grocery Forum India, the thought is to create an atmosphere of positive and proactive action to succeed against all odds.
Mad about China.
We have so many R&D centers, so many universities, but still the knowledge is lying in those cities. It doesn't reach the farmer, or maybe because we don't have efficient system to go to the ground to all the fragmented lands or the farmers across the country.
The problem that the exporters from different countries are facing, and especially when we talk about gourmet food, it basically right now it is the very niche category.
With an organization like FIFI, wherein it has duly acknowledged members participating, we are also happy that it serves as a sort of filtering channel for authentic and credible imports of food products into India.
Consumption will be created by merchandise, service, and a lot of other factors at retail.
Regional Food and Grocery Retailer of the Year goes to Ratnadeep Supermarkets.
The most admired foreign food retailer of the year 2012 goes to Nature's Basket. Give it to them.
Big Bazaar. Gift Smart Ludhiana.
Why is this product better for me? Why do I need it? And connecting and therefore building relevance.
There are certain areas within this category, for example, health food drinks between certain ages, there will be aspirational aspects that will come to it once we've established that.
If we are not ready to adopt the customers or our customers or our segment, basically, they are going to leave us like hot potato. We will never notice what is going to be happen, and they don't have time to do complaint.
India's income will triple over the next 2 decades. By 2025, India will have 583 million people in middle class.
If you have to see the revolution happening, if you have to see the real big impact branded foods change happening, one has to go regional in this country. And every city, every bunch of 3 or 4 districts, there is a 40-50 crore branded goods company in the area of value added and processed food already happening.
We have to take this leap of faith and say, no, I think we need to grow categories. Just as consumers are not alike, retailers are also not alike. I mean, there are retailers catering to the mass market, there are retailers catering to the top end of the market.
As in, like we're still in that buy one get one phase, let me share with you that customers at our stores, they don't want any of the freebies.
Heiko Supermarket from Mumbai.
Maxins from Goa.
This is Amma Nanna from Chennai.
Spark.
Mr. Anjan Chatterjee.
Mr. Vinay Singh.